Hello viewers, in today's class we are going to take up some important problems on determinants, right? So here we'll consider only the square matrices, and we know that a matrix is said to be a square matrix if the number of rows and number of columns are equal, right? So here we'll solve this problem. If A and B are square matrices of order 3 and the determinant of A is 5 and determinant of B is 3, right? So we have to find the value of the determinant of the product of the matrices A and B. And in the second problem we have to find 3 times of AB, and then we have to find the determinant, right? And in the third problem we have to find the determinant of K times AB, right? So here we'll make use of some important result. So the first result is if we have two square matrices A and B, then the determinant of the product of the two matrices A and B is equal to the individual product of the determinants of A and B, right? So we have the determinant of the product of the matrices A and B is equal to determinant A times determinant B. So here in this case the determinant of A is 5 and here we have determinant of B as 3. So the required value of determinant of AB is 15, right? Okay, now in the second part we'll make use of the result that if we have a determinant say P, and if we multiply it by K is some scalar, then if P is some matrix of order n, right? P is some matrix of order n, right? Then the determinant of Kp is equal to K raised to n times the determinant of the matrix P. Clear? So in this case we have 3 times of AB and we have to find the determinant of 3 times of AB. So here the value of K is 3 and A times B is a square matrix of order 3, right? Because here we are given the order of matrix A and B as 3. So applying this rule we have 3 raised to 3 times AB, right? The determinant of AB. So this is 27, and now to evaluate determinant of AB we'll make use of this result. So here we have determinant A times determinant B. So this is 27 times determinant of A is 5 and here we have 3, right? So we have 27 times 15, right? So the product of 27 and 15 is 405, right? So the value of the determinant of 3 times AB is 405, right? Now for the part third we have K times AB and Again we'll make use of this result. So we have k, and that order of matrix A is 3, the order of matrix B is 3, so the order of matrix AB is also 3, right? So we have k cube and times determinant of AB, and here we'll apply this rule. So we have k cube times determinant of A times determinant of B, and here we have k cube times determinant of A is 5, and here we have determinant of B as 3, right? So we have 15 times k cube. So viewers, here we have solved this problem, and we arrive at the result that determinant of AB has the value 15, then the value of determinant of 3 times AB is 405, and here we have the value as 15 times k cube, right?